Hi there, SharePoint enthusiasts! Today I'm gonna show you how to migrate large file shares to SharePoint. This task comes up frequently when you need to migrate large network shares to SharePoint or OneDrive. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. There are a few free or paid versions to choose from, but I'd like to demonstrate one of my favorite options, Migration Manager. Migration Manager is a free cloud-based tool provided by Microsoft. It's also fast and relatively user-friendly. So, navigate to the Migration Manager. Go to the File Share Migration section in the SharePoint Admin Center and download an agent application. You need to install the agent to run migrations. Next, add the source paths you want to migrate. If you need to migrate many folders, use a CSV file. Wait for the scan to finish, then copy the file share to migrations. You'll need to specify the SharePoint or OneDrive folder as a destination. Finally, run the migration like so. You can run multiple migrations in parallel and monitor the progress on the interactive dashboard. After migration, download and review the logs to confirm that the migration has been completed with no critical errors. Quite a handy tool if you need to move large volumes of data. For particularly large migrations, I recommend applying tags to make searching and filtering much easier. And don't forget to check the Preserve File Share permissions, otherwise permissions won't be migrated. One limitation though, it won't migrate files over 250 gigabytes. So there you go, you've got a useful tool for moving large file shares.